Welcome to another questions and answers video series brought to you by the Funeral Program site. Today's question is, can I order a custom funeral background design? Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. This enables us to continue making useful and helpful content to assist you during a time of loss. We are never prepared to lose a loved one, but gathering knowledge before it happens can be helpful in the funeral planning process. Our website is fully stocked with every style and size imaginable for printed memorials and funeral programs. You will find our program backgrounds in a variety of themes from simple to outdoor landscapes. We continue to add newly designed backgrounds daily, so you always have a fresh selection to choose from. If, however, you are not able to find one that suits your current needs, you may order a custom program background design tailored to your specifications. Our staff designer will create a background with the theme and colors of your choice, especially custom-made with your design criteria. You can order the funeral program background in any of the available styles we offer. Upon completion of the design, we will send you a proof within a few short hours for review, prior to setting it within the template of your choosing. You may review the background and ask to make any changes you deem necessary. Once you approve the new design, we will set it within the template and send you the completed file via email. You can then proceed to personalize the program by entering your text and photos. With this service, you have access to our talented designers anytime to create the printed memorial in a short time frame, honoring your loved one's life. We offer many wonderful stocked backgrounds to choose from, as well as our custom design service for any funeral program size or style. View and order your custom funeral background today, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.